Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to disable autoplay from YouTube. We start by opening the video we want on YouTube. After that, let's look at the video player bar. Here we will see that we have the autoplay button is on, so we are going to off it to prevent videos from playing automatically below. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.